Cole 22?
Alright, everybody just gather up like right over here. Thanks for waiting, guys. We've got a really good ride today, actually. The traffic was not so great yesterday, but today it's moving right along. So, my name is Eli. I'll be leading this one. This is Ariel. She'll be following. So it's an escorted ride, so please stay between us. Ride in a staggered formation. That just helps keep everybody a little tighter through all these traffic lights we've got to get through. Please just ride as close to the person in front of you as you're comfortable doing so, especially when we're going through a lot of lights. That just helps keep cars out.
Pull your hair away from me.
It's nice if we can all ride in one group the whole time, but it is not required. So we have radios in our helmets. If we get separated at the light, Ariel will let me know, and I'll either pull over or I'll slow up to get everybody back together. Or she might hop in front and lead you through some turns, so let her do that if she needs to. Because we do not want anybody doing anything unsafe or illegal just to keep up with the group, okay? Not asking anybody to run any red lights or speed to catch up, okay? So please check for yourself before you pull out into that intersection, okay? A few basic ground rules. Don't act like a jackass. To specify what I'm talking about there, we don't allow any kind of wheelies, stoppies, burnouts. You know, if you guys can think of any other fun activities like that, we don't.
Slingshotting.
Yes.
Anything you can think of that might be annoying to anyone around you.
Please don't. We'll have to stop the ride if anything like that happens, and you will be walking the rest of the ride. So that's the one warning I got for you. Otherwise, we're going to try to have some fun. I'm going to try to pull away from stops pretty briskly, so we all get a chance to test out the performance of bikes. We're going to have a little on-ramp we get to try out, so please keep restricted to there where it's safe to get on it. Don't try to make yourself room and accelerate while we're just cruising down the street. Public roads, demo rides. I'm just asking everybody to be respectful of that. A couple of our bikes have drive modes. If you're on an FJ09 or an FZ09, those have standard mode that they'll start up in. And then they also have an A mode and a B mode. You can select with the switch on the right-hand handlebar. You'll see it'll pop up on the dash. A, standard, B. A is an aggressive throttle response, more like a track mode, and B is more for wet weather riding. So you can play around with those, feel free. You just have to let off the throttle completely. The throttle has to be completely closed for it to change. But yeah, feel free to play around with them while we're out there riding.
Sacramento 2 weeks ago.
We're going to grab all these bikes that miss the line and get back. We'll just be pulling right back into the same line. So, nice bike.
You traffic.
Start them up.